which of the following is empty set? He is asking to find out the empty set. Okay, so we'll see the first option. Here we are having set of all x such that x is a real number and x square minus 1 is equals to 0. So here what happens? We have to find out the solution of this. So x square minus 1 is equals to 0. That means x square is equals to 1. Okay, x is equals to 1. So here what happens? X is equals to 1 is there. So here what happens? The value of x is equals to 1. So that 1 is a real number. So this is not an empty set. Here we are getting an option. Here we are getting a value. So here what happens? This is the element of this set. Okay, so this is not an empty set. And next we'll see x such set of all x such that x is a real number and x square plus 1 is equals to 0. So we have to find out the solution for this. X square plus 1 is equals to 0. So x square is equals to minus 1. So x is equals to under root of minus 1. So under root of minus 1 is an imaginary thing. So under root of minus 1 is an imaginary. So here what happens? Here these imaginary numbers are not belongs to the real numbers. So here what happens? This is not possible. X square plus 1 is equals to 0 where the value of x is not real here. So this is our option. So here what happens? This becomes the empty set here. Okay. Now we'll see the third option. Set of all x such that x is a real number and x square minus 1 is equals to 9. So x square minus 9 is equals to 0. That means x square is equals to 9. X is equals to plus or minus 3. So plus or minus 3, that will be the real numbers. Plus 3 and minus 3 belongs to the real numbers only. So this is also not an empty set. Here we are getting the values. And next here we'll see x set of all x such that x is a real number and x square is equals to x plus 2 is there. So here we have to get the value x square minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. So we can find out the value of x is here. So here we are getting that x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 into 1. So here we are getting x is common, x minus 2. And next here we are getting plus 1 x minus 2. So the values of x, so here we are getting the values will be equals to x plus 1 times x minus 2. So the value of x will be equals to minus 1 and plus 2. So here we are getting minus 1 and plus 2 are the elements of the set of this. But here what happens? Here we are getting the elements minus 1 and 2 are belongs to the real numbers. This is also not an empty set. So here what happens? This is the set of all x such that x is a real number and x square plus 1 is equals to 0 is the empty set.